Hello, welcome to my Amma Flavors YouTube channel, and today I am showing you mutton pickle. Ingredients are I am showing here. Now take a cooker, add mutton, well wash and clean up and add salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup of water. Mix well and close the lid. Cook 2-3 whistles until little well cook mutton. And when it's cool, take it, and if you see, look in the water of the mutton and again on the gas and cook until water evaporate. Mutton will dry, no water. Then take it and cool in the plate. It will become little faster cool. Then side and keep a pan and add mustard seeds, methi seeds, fry little bit light brown and take it off, cool and grind powder. Take a pan little bit deeper side, add oil, add cool mutton pieces and in this oil only you have to not deep fry, it's a medium flame. Mutton pieces looks like how I am showing you, like the brown color, and it's crispy and inside the smooth. And take it off and after a little bit cool. In same pan add ginger garlic paste, methi and mustard seed powder. Mix it completely well. Add salt, mix again. This chili powder is red chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder. I mix and add. Now add coriander powder and garam masala. Mix all together well. Nicely mix completely. You can like, subscribe, share for more videos. Now after little bit cool, add squeeze lemon juices, 2 lemons. Check the salt or keep one day. Now ready to eat, but if you wait one more day, it will all masala will absorb and taste more tasty. And now then you will see, if you need a little salt, add. Thanks for watching my video.